What's up?
Well, today was amazing.
The best day ever.
We saw a lot of Istanbul.
Hair to here.
Hi guys, my name is On.
I'm Dave.
And we're from Los Angeles. We experienced hair loss for a couple years now, and our hairline bothered us. And we started looking about hair transplant, and we know that Turkey is the best place to go. So I'm an Instagrammer, so I was Instagramming for weeks till I found a hair center of Turkey, and the results look the best from everything I've seen. And we decided to book our flight and talk to hair center of Turkey.
And so from the time we touched down, we had an amazing experience. The driver was waiting for us as soon as we got out of the airport. They whisked us away in a nice van and drove us to the hair center for our consultation. Everything was super smooth. The office is amazingly clean,
so nice.
Beautifully appointed. Everyone was super nice, made us feel really comfortable. They explained the process to us from start to finish. And from there,
they took us to the hotel, and then we rested for the day. And the next day, they took us on an amazing trip to see Istanbul. To so many places, and we fell in love with this city.
They organized an awesome breakfast for us. We love to eat, so it was the
Turkish
perfect way to start off the day.
And then we took a boat ride, and we went to all the famous places, and it was just amazing. Next day was the operation day. We got here in the morning. We met with the doctor. He explained to us everything. They did the blood test and took pictures. We shaved our heads, and then the operation started. It was super easy because they
gave us anesthesia.
Yeah.
And that was the key. There was no pain involved. I know some people could be hesitant about the process because of what does it feel like. But the anesthesia was really the game changer. So that really put us in a position where we couldn't feel anything for almost the entire time. And the operation went smoothly. It was long, but it was tedious and super specific. But it was the perfect way for it to be done because everyone took super great care of us.
The team is amazing. They're so nice and so just soft and easy and very nice to be taking care of.
It couldn't have been a better team, and the expertise level was top notch. You could just tell that they know their art, and you couldn't ask for a better place or a better group of people to do this for you.
And you need to go to good people who know how to do it, not just any doctor. And then we went home, to the hotel. We slept. The night was okay. We took pain medication. Nothing really was too crazy. And the next day we got here to clean the hair, to clean it a little bit, and then they sent us back to the hotel to rest. We actually felt amazing, so we went for a walk, and it was super.
Yeah, we did more sightseeing. I thought that we were going to be kind of down and out for that day, but
we felt great, and we just went and saw more places of beautiful Istanbul. And then we went to sleep, and now we are here. Today they washed our hair for the first time. And that's it. Yes. Now we're ready to go home.
So we're feeling clean, ready to get on the plane, but we're super sad to leave.
Yeah, definitely coming back. Istanbul is amazing. Hair Center of Turkey, we're so thankful. You guys did an amazing job, and we can't thank you enough.
We love you guys. Herkese teşekkürler.
Hair Center of Turkey.
We love you guys.